Um, Thank you for watching. My name is Deborah, and I am going to be doing the walkthrough. So we have the main site here where you're able to get link that will direct you to the actual tool. Um, Here we have documented the path that we want to go through. So currently we have this that is um, almost done. So the first thing is we have the map overview where you're able to pick the location of your land or the area that you want to analyze. You can use your live location, you can search a place, or you can manually drop the pin, and you can also select an analysis radius. After that, you're also able to pick a point. So right now I could pick a point, let's say somewhere over here. Once you pick a point, we have the data related to that point fetched. So we have the terrain, flood risk, and all this that is fetched, and it's technical, so that someone with the technical know-how is able to analyze it or get a good idea from the get-go. Um, and these are all the indicators that are fetched for the first time. And we also have the layers where you're able to get different. So the OSM shows you the nearest roads. It also shows us that we have a grid line somewhere close by. And you're also able to add elevation contours as well as a land cover overlay that describes what the current land use distribution is in the area. And as you can see, we don't have a lot of built up area. It's mostly grassland with some forested areas and cropland. So after understanding this, or immediately when a user is ready, you're able to generate an assessment, and you're able to pick a particular land use that you will be using it for to get how suitable that land is. So like I want to try pastoralism for this area, and we see we got a suitability analysis over 71%, it being suitable. And we have the site strengths listed as well as the considerations and recommendations. And we also have a nice summary over here. For export, you're able to export the data, the technical data in case that is needed for reporting. And you're also able to generate the assessment data. So for the data, we have a topographical map listing all the features that we had in the previous view. And we also have a terrain detail that helps you understand the elevation gradient of the area, as well as most of the data that we had, including the rainfall and the solar irradiance. If we open, no, is it the assessment reports, we also see an overview of the assessment with everything that was listed before. And yes, I think that is a good walkthrough. There are other features that are free to explore. I did add the link to the report. You can view the saved layers as well as change the different land uses to see how suitable your land is and the risks that you have. Thank you.